Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Veo 3. Firstly, visit Google's official subscription portal and sign up for the AI Ultra plan, currently available only in the users of the US. Now get the Gemini app from Google Play Store or App Store and log in using your Google account. In the prompt input field, look for the video icon. If it's hidden, tap the three dots to reveal more options and enable video generation. Now, you need to write a creative prompt. For example, a cinematic shot of a robotic bird flying through a foggy jungle, ambient forest sounds, and wings fluttering. Gemini might default to Veo 2, so manually switch to Veo 3 for the model selection menu before generating your video. And finally, tap Generate and let Veo 3 work its magic. Review your video, you can edit, preview, or save the final project. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.